Hey hotties, we are back with another glam. First, I am going to take my Gorgeous Faces oil-free moisturizer. It's pretty much, I use it as a primer to keep my pores in check before I put my foundation on. And now I'm just rubbing it in and making sure it dries down completely. But I love this oil-free moisturizer. So good. Now you know your girl got to do her brows. I will definitely have a brow tutorial coming soon, so definitely like this video. Comment below and let me know if you want to see a brow tutorial, y'all. But I just took my Duo Lash Glue and just to prime my brows, and now I'm filling it in with the ColourPop brow pencils. And you know, just creating a shape that I don't got naturally. So now I'm gonna just fill it in with the Plain and Makeup by Yolanda Ebony Dip Brow and just fill it in a little bit more so it can be a little bit more precise. And you know we gotta grab a concealer to clean up our brows and make sure they are on fleek. Do people use that word anymore? Fleek? But make sure they're on fleek and, you know, carved out and just popping, okay? So you definitely need a concealer. I love this e.l.f. concealer, by the way. It's really, really good. And here are the brows, complete and drawn on. So now we are going on to primer. This is my favorite primer. It tried to play me. But this is from J. La Rue Cosmetics, and this is their matte primer, by the way. And I'm just going ahead and put that on my skin and make sure it dries down. If you can see that it is matte. Now on to foundation. My fave foundation from Juvia's Place. I Am Magic in the color Cano. I'm just applying that everywhere. As you guys can see, I do have a bit of hyperpigmentation around my mouth area. My face in general is darker than my body, so I go a little bit lighter just to match my chest area and all that good jazz. So, you know. On to highlight, I'm taking those same e.l.f. concealers. All of the products and colors will be listed down below, but I'm taking that into my highlighted areas and just lifting and highlighting all the areas that I want to. And we're just gonna blend this in with the Dark Skin Makeup Daily Beauty Sponge. I love these sponges. They are so soft. And we're just gonna go ahead and blend that highlight out. And now we're going back with our foundation brush to blend out the edges of that concealer, just so the foundation and the concealer can marry each other. So just blend, blend, blend. Keep on blending if you feel like you haven't blended enough, okay? Onto contour, we are taking our Black Opal foundation stick in the color Ebony. And we're just gonna apply that in all the contoured areas. And if you look like this, this is what you should have, okay? And my brush tried to play me, y'all. It's tried to just shed, and I'm like, hold on. Let me get you together real quick, sis. But we're gonna use that and blend that contour out. Just use patting motions when you're blending contour out, highlight out, everything. Just use pat motions and you will see the difference in your foundation routine, okay? Pat, pat, pat. Now let's snatch this nose a little bit, just a little bit, nothing too crazy, nothing too cray-cray, just snatch it a little bit. Back to blending, blend that nose, blend that contour, just keep going back over the highlights and the contour just to make sure you are perfectly blended. And I'm taking my setting spray just to hydrate me a little bit, just because I use a lot of matte things. I want to just give it a little bit more dewy feel to it, bring it back to life a little bit. And now we're going in with our setting powder from OPV and setting up under the eyes and everywhere that we highlighted. So I do like to go in with 2 layers of the setting powder. The first layer is just to really set up under my eye, just very lightly, and then I go back in for a little bakage. So make sure you do this 2-layer step and you'll see the difference in your foundation routine. And you should have something like this. Now onto our setting powder for our face. We are going to take the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Deep Darkest and set everywhere else that we didn't put that setting powder. So just pat that and make sure that is matte. Make sure that you are just canceling all the oils out from the foundation and the contour. Just matte it on out and everything will go great. Now bronzing with Morphe's Glamour Bronzer in the color Supreme, and we're just going to bronze up our contoured areas. Now we are lining our eyes, and I'm using the Sephora liner in the color black, and we're just gonna go ahead and just make a simple wing. You can make it as thick as you want and make it as thin as you want, or you can skip the wing. It's all up to you how you want to do your natural everyday face. Liner for your bottom liner, and we are gonna hop right into blush, and we're taking the Bella blush from Juvia's Place, and we are going to just pat that all over our cheeks. You already know this is my favorite blush. I love this color. It really suits any look that I do. Now let's line these lips on out for our lippy. Y'all, I did 2 different lip combos. I didn't really care for the first one for some weird reason. I was just like, you know what, I just feel for something regular. But it's up to you what lip combo you want to do. You could do any color, any shade. You could do gloss, matte. It's all up to you when it comes to like a simple natural face. So I'm just lining it out with a dark liner, and we're gonna go ahead with our Dose of Color lippy, which I'm gonna change, like I said. I just showed you guys anyway, and I'm just gonna put a gloss on top of this. But I switched it to just a regular lip gloss that has like some type of shimmer from ColourPop. But yeah, like I said, everything will be listed below. And here is a completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. You know, get into the beat, you feel me? Your girl is cute. So I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Love y'all. Peace out.